This is a tutorial for World Scouting eVoting system. Here is the process of how to cast a vote for the election of 6 voting members of the Regional Scout Committee. Log in to the eVoting system at vote.scout.org and access the relevant event to be ready to cast your vote. When a vote is activated, it will show on the left side of the screen under the Active Vote header. It will include the progress bar, timer, and voter turnout. The chair will announce the time allocated for your delegation to discuss and complete your vote. Click on the Active Vote. The details of the selected vote will appear on the right side of your screen with the options available for casting your vote. Each delegation must cast 36 votes and no more than 6 votes for any one candidate. You're strongly encouraged to practice your right to vote by casting all your 36 votes. Depending on the size of your browser, the vote options will appear either as a drop-down selection or as a row with easy select options from 0 to 6. You can select or unselect each options by clicking on them. Allocate your votes across the desired candidates. Each candidate cannot receive more than 6 votes. Carefully review your vote allocation is correct. Note that once you have cast your vote, no further changes can be made. Confirm your vote by clicking Confirm 36 Votes button. A confirmation message that your vote has been submitted will appear. The vote will be closed after the preset time has elapsed or at the discretion of the chair. The result of the election will be calculated by the tellers and announced at a specific time during plenary. When announced, the result will also be visible on the eVoting platform. You can see the overall result of the vote. You will also see that you voted, but not how you voted, as this is a secret ballot vote. For this vote type, the results are determined based on the rules of procedure. The 6 Regional Scout Committee candidates receiving the most votes will be declared elected to fill the vacancies. In the event of a tie to fill the last vacant position, the youngest candidate between the ties will be declared elected. The 6 Regional Scout Committee members elected will be clearly announced in the plenary.